Hello everyone, my name is Ben Zhou. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Bybit. Bybit is a crypto derivative exchange. We provide a peer-to-peer exchange of crypto in the form of futures and derivatives. So today I'll talk about how crypto became more and more mainstream, especially the post-epidemic period now, and it's sort of becoming more of a store of value, as well as how companies like Bybit can contribute to the mass adoption of crypto. COVID is one of the biggest epidemics that happened in our recent mankind history. While governments are continuously printing out new money to pump the markets, and most of it went to the capital market, so you see a pump up in the price of global stocks, majority of people want to move their capital or fund into area where they believe could hold up its value. To go against the foreseeable inflation. Therefore, we see price, especially the gold price goes up and property gold price goes up. Interestingly enough, we see the recent price of crypto, or especially Bitcoin, really correlates with gold. So what this tells us is that Bitcoin, or crypto in general, is now starting to become more and more accepted as a store of value, mainly due to its nature, its limited supply, and most importantly, it's decentralized. So no central agent can control it, and obviously nobody can print it like the central bank. So how is this public view has shifted from seeing Bitcoin as a scam now to a more accepted sort of a store of value against fiat? Well, I think time plays the huge factor. Bitcoin was born in 2009, right after the financial crisis, which is exactly the reason why it was born. It was aiming to revolutionize the current broken centralized financial system by using decentralization. Not mentioning the up and downs that Bitcoin went through all these years, both in prices and also challenges. But now it withstood the biggest epidemic in mankind's recent history. So the confidence in crypto has never been higher. The core nature of Bitcoin has never been challenged and remains true today. It's decentralized, anonymous, and scarce, which is perfect for the store of value. Here are some facts to share with you all. Since this year, the active BTC address growth has been more or less 16-fold, which indicates that a general increase or mass adoption of crypto, especially in Bitcoin. The recent news which contributed to very bullish belief in crypto was one of the biggest business intelligence company globally, MicroStrategy, adopts Bitcoin as the primary treasury reserve of their assets. So that really kind of tells you something. If one of the most business intelligent people is doing something like that, it's surely a very strong indicator of what people start to look at Bitcoin now as a store of value. Also, for most of you probably don't know, there has been a recent development in crypto, especially in the DeFi field, what we call decentralized finance, where we can see many traditional finance applications such as lending and borrowing and a bunch more emerged in crypto or using blockchain tech in a trustless way. So within a matter of months, actually, it managed to attract more than 16 billion worth of value locked into the whole DeFi space. On top of it, the general trading volume has also grown. As you can see, it's close to 700 billion on the spot, which means a cash kind of transaction since this year. And in our Bybit kind of field industry derivatives, we see close to a similar amount in trading volumes. The development in crypto and blockchain space is really astonishing, even for people like me. We are working in the industry. Like the recent sort of DeFi wave, where we can make financial concept completely decentralized. You can conduct borrow and lending in a trustless way, and then combine it with smart contract and automated market making. I know a lot of you probably is not familiar with all these terms I'm just throwing at you, but what's the end result? various forms of financial applications such as decentralized exchange, fixed income, and automated yield earning sort of a product or smart contract, which are now all available in crypto space. And it's being used on a day-to-day basis every day as we speak now. So we are definitely living in an exciting time, and you start to see the shift of the central way of thinking now to a more decentralized way. So what has changed? It's consensus. That's playing the most biggest factor of all. It's the general acceptance of crypto, and it will be getting more and more accepted as time goes on. So the power of consensus is extremely valuable in our current time. Therefore, if you still don't know or understand crypto or blockchain, be more open-minded. Come and see for yourself. We have already so many products been built inside this already not so small market. Take example of Bybit. Our product is not so different than CME or SIBO, providing clients opportunity to trade crypto derivatives with very good liquid and products. We believe mass adoption is happening, and is happening even faster now. One of the most frequent questions being asked to anybody in this space is, what does it take for crypto to get mainstream? Or when does the mass adoption will happen? Or how are we going to get there? A lot of people say we need new ideas, new applications. But we believe it's matured, mass adoption ready products built by a team of ambitious but also trained professionals. That's why our focus since day one has always been building our product and building a talented team. The Bybit team consists of elites from the traditional financial spaces as well as other top-tier companies. We bring the knowledge from our previous backgrounds into the now very new, exciting space and try to make a difference. Our focus has always been the people, our client, and our team. Our mission is to make trading simpler and smarter in the crypto space. The early stage product in crypto has always been sort of more focused on ideas, but quite weak in product development and product delivery. However, we focus on our product as we always believe that the deciding factor to make a change is to have a solid product with innovation. So we also invest a lot into innovation and put innovation into our products. Just to give you a few facts of Bybit, we were established in March 2018 and built on the customer-centric values. We constantly listen, care, and improve to gain trust from our traders and strive to give them the safest, fastest, fairest, and the most transparent trading experience. We provide 24/7 customer support. Users can get to their queries answered anytime around the clock by an actual real human with our multilingual customer support team. So we also want to put the human aspect into the exchange business, which has always been perceived as kind of cold in crypto. As many of you might have heard some news about the recent security breach in crypto, security has always been the most crucial and controversial thing for many exchanges in our space. Especially, incidences where exchanges were hacked and resulted in clients' funds being stolen or lost. We put a lot of resources and priority into making sure Bybit is 101% safe and secure. Keeping client funds safe has always been our top priority. On industry average, most crypto exchanges spend about 15% of their budget into making sure their exchange is safe and secure. On comparison, we spend about 20 to 25, and we prepare to increase to 30% in the near future. What does it mean? We actually have a close to 30 people security internal team, and within it, we have a white and black hat teams. Their goal is to one hat is to play the attacker, one hat is to play the defender. So we're constantly challenging ourselves on our own security to make sure we are bulletproof. As well as we adopt a industry-leading multi-signature cold wallet system. which is never proven to be stolen before, and the maximum secure solution at the moment. Risk management is another sort of extremely important factor for any exchange right after security. In terms of margin calculation, system errors that will all affect exchange internal metrics. However, risk management is not only crucial for any exchange internally, especially for a crypto derivative exchange. Risk management is extremely crucial for the clients as well. So how can we, as an exchange, help our client to do better risk management and provide extreme loss? So on the top of making sure we educate our users about using risk management, we put a great effort and time into building our product to help our clients to do that. Our clients are now trading, a lot of times trading only with Bybit because we give them so many tools to do risk management. On top of the take profit and stop loss system, we recently also launched a mutual insurance function to even further help our clients with risk management. It's an option product, so they can actually hedge their risk with many positive upside and minimal downside. Here I will also play a little video to explain what is our mutual insurance.
Bybit's mutual insurance is a risk management tool that enables traders to protect their BTCUSD perpetual contract positions against unfavorable market movements. When the market moves against you, you'll get compensated. When the market moves in your favor, you'll still ride on the profit.
On top of that, like we said, our mission is to make trading simpler and smarter. So we also developed some very easy one-click trading system even on the chart. So clients can simply enter the market, especially during volatility. As we all know, crypto moves extremely fast, and it's very crucial that you have exchange works and function properly during these times and give you a fast entry functions or exit functions. So now you've seen some of the basic functions of Bybit. Why does client choose us? I believe is these mean 5 attributions. Number one, we have one of the best, if not the lead, if not the top, market depths for all of our major trading pairs. So you would experience minimal slippage. Also, our matching engine, we can match up to 100K TPS, which means whenever you have an order, even during volatility, it will get executed. On top of that, we have a state-of-the-art pricing system to make sure that our clients doesn't get liquidated wrongly. So we take prices from global major exchange and utilize that as a trigger for liquidation. Not only retail loves Bybit, but also institutions, which they connect with our powerful API. So they can just using their algos or bots to trade with Bybit directly. And one of the last, not the least, is our most proud function, is that our 99.99% availability, meaning that we, in the historical stats speaking, we were never down, and even during the downtime, it was less than 40 minutes for a whole year. And on top of it, we actually never have any regular system maintenance. All of our updates and patches are conducted through hot patch, so no system downtime. Crypto is never down, neither does Bybit. Many people used to say that crypto trading or trading in crypto, the whole experience is extremely bad. We hope that Bybit can change that. Through our product and our hard work, we want to not only make crypto the same as trading any assets, but it should be even simpler. We hope that through Bybit's mission to make trading simpler and smarter, we can lift the bar and the standards for crypto exchange by leading in the areas that exchange should be focused in. That is the product, the security, the risk management, and the customer support. How do we achieve those? By following our slogan, always listening to our clients and community, by putting the effort and care into our product and services, and then lastly, by consistently improving and evolving. Thank you.